Hello, friends and followers. Well, here's some general notes. So I'm digging into Collins 32S-1 32S-1 number 2. This thing has had really no output on grid at all on 20 meters, 15 or 10. A little bit on 10, but 15 and 20. I can get a little bit of output. I can see signal on the service monitor, but I can't really see much plate. So it doesn't seem like the coils, the capacitors on the top that are tuning the sections are even working right. So there's a guy, Pete, I know, he's a radio genius. He's in California. Smartest guy on the planet with radios. He thinks in RF, he thinks in Smith charts. Anyway, he's fixing an SP32 right now. And I sent Pete an email and I said, hey man, just go through it and look for obvious stupid problems first. So I took my own advice and I've been going through this thing, and sure enough, I found a short. So way down in here, if you see the pin 3 and pin 4 there, you'll see 3 and 4 in the video there. Those two are shorted together. I'm not sure what that's going to do to the output, but those two were shorted pretty much. And then here's the crystal oscillator, and this thing is a real abomination. They had all these capacitors and parts all pushed in there, like they're trying to make a hairball out of it. So I kind of undid all those to see if I could find any shorts in there. Might have been a small short in there or two, I don't know. So I took a shop vac and sucked all the spiders and junk out of this thing today. At any rate, I'm out of capacitors. I fixed so many tube radios in the past, all my capacitors. My 0.1s are gone. I want to get these out of here. And I guess work on a few other large capacitors. Maybe get those Aero Voxes out of here. Looks like someone, though, has been in here fixing a few things, because that gray one's new. A 0.5. I got one of those. And yeah, and that orange one looks new, I guess. Maybe not, but... yeah, those resistors look new, and that little blue one looks new, so someone's been in here mucking around. Which is fine, as long as what they did works and isn't shorted out. It's definitely a lot denser wiring over there. At any rate, I'll do a few changes in here today, just maybe change a few capacitors. And then I'll try the radio again. What's disturbing is, if you want to clean the band switch here, you can't get these little covers off. I mean, they're bolted on, which is fine, but you would need to take the whole rod out to get these things out, because there's a hole here and there's no little gap to get the thing out. So you'd have to take this whole band rod out. I'm not sure even how I would do that. I guess I'm not a Collins expert yet, am I? I thought about soaking this thing in the water and cleaning it up, but I'm not going to do that. It's dirty on top, but I guess I'll just surface clean it. It's a good little radio as far as how it looks. Anyway, yeah, if you're going through one of these, just look for shorts. Just check all the tube pins really, really carefully and make sure none are touching. I found these two were touching on this tube here. Like I said, 3 and 4 were touching there, so. What are you gonna do? I just want to get some decent grid on this thing, so. Yeah, this thing seems suspect here too. Anyway, let's see if that made an improvement. I could probably flip it over right now and try it, but I'm not gonna bother. I'm gonna try and change a few capacitors first. All right, that's the update on the 32S-1 number 2. It's on its back like a dead rabbit. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.